laughed, and he gave me the spare parts to build his frequency counter, and he gave me a job that summer in Hewlett-Packard, working on the assembly line, putting nuts and bolts together on frequency counters. He got me a job in the place that built them, and I was in heaven.
I wanted to show you the device that really is changing all of this right now. This is the world's first artificial intelligence driven, syncs up to your smartphone.
The German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity once said, "Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics." Every object on Earth possesses what is called a natural frequency, which depends on its size, shape, and composition. 1-7. This explains how a singer can shatter a glass by hitting a certain note, which does not happen because the singer's voice has reached a particularly high pitch. Rather, it is a matter of attaining the natural frequency of the glass. As a result, all the energy in the sound of the singer's voice is transferred to the glass, and it shatters. The professional boxer, activist, and philanthropist nicknamed The Greatest, widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sports figures of the 20th century, and as one of the greatest boxers of all time, used to not only match the frequencies of his opponent's training schedules, he used to do more frequently, so that when he stepped into the ring, he knew that they could never match his power, because his frequency was stronger. Everywhere in daily life, there are frequencies of sound and electromagnetic waves constantly changing and creating the features of the visible and audible world familiar to everyone. Some aspects of frequency can only be perceived indirectly, yet people are conscious of them without even thinking about it. A favorite radio station, for instance, may have a frequency of 99.7 megahertz. And fans of that station know that every time they turn the FM dial to that position, the station's signal will be there. Of course, people cannot hear radio and television frequencies, part of the electromagnetic spectrum, but the evidence for them is everywhere. Similarly, people are not conscious in any direct sense of frequencies in sound and light. Yet, without differences in frequency, there could be no speech or music, nor would there be any.
Welcome everyone to a quantum science, quantum entanglement based technology which is going to biohack at a mental, emotional, spiritual level. Congratulations to each one of you, because 3 years back there was someone who invited me, and just like you, I was there attending this session with so much of curiosity that what exactly it is, what is it that it will change my life for. And you know what, today after 3 years, it's almost like 3.5 years, 2025, this would be like the last session I'm taking. And I can guarantee you, this day would be a paradigm shift into your life. 2026, you are going to remember this day forever. Because the kind of energy, the kind of frequency, the kind of vibration which you are going to receive from the entire session, be ready to receive. I can promise you, if you are there, allowing to receive, opening the portal, what's coming up in front of you. There is no coincidences in life. If a person, a session, a environment, people are coming in your life, you are encountering them, let me tell you, it could be either a mirror, it could be either a medicine, it could be either a messenger coming for the lesson to be learned for your life and to take you to the next level. So congratulations, I'm super duper happy to take this session. I'm Leena Joy, logging in from Bangalore, a certified life coach, a Ho'oponopono expert, and being part of this a beautiful technology from last 3.5 years. I'm a senior vice president here, and I can tell you, I have seen the kind of people going through the transformation, whether it is their health transformation, the chronic illness which they are able to transform it. It could be serious diseases which the doctor told that it's not possible. Through the quantum healing mechanism, they have seen changes, they have seen transformation. Not just that, but also in harmony in relationship, their bank account, the job which they were looking for, the soulmate which they were identifying. Oh my God, I can keep on talking about it. And if you believe in magic, if you believe in miracles, you are going to see it. And keep believing it, because there is no harm in believing something which it could make our life super duper good. So let's get started. And before I start, few requests that we are talking about energy, we are talking about quantum space, the next level of transformation. I would request you to be on video. No distraction, no Instagramming, no messaging. For some time, the world is not going to close if you are not there. Next 1 hour, devote this time for yourself, invest it for yourself, no distraction. And if you are on video, it will be more a healthy communication. I can see you and we will be able to pass the energy much better. Okay, imagine I've closed my screen and I'm taking the session, how it will be. So everyone who are on video, thank you so much. Dharmishta, these are all my family members. Okay, Pragyan, Dharmishta, Mayanka, congratulations. I could see you for the first time. All the new people, I want you to be on the video. The new people, I would request you to be on video. I promise you, you will not regret. Next 1 hour, just be mine. And I'll make sure, I'll promise you that I give my best to you. Okay. Next 1 hour. Any questions which are coming up, for sure, it's obvious that you will get questions. Any questions which coming up, I'll be happier to attend to it at the end. Note it down so that you don't forget. At the end, we will have a question answer session. Okay. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. I love you guys. Let's get started. Okay. The kind of energies which we are talking about, any product, any service which come into the world, and if it is solving a society's problem, it's going to skyrocket. The technology which we are talking about is from Germany, patented, gone across to 57 countries, and it's already creating the kind of transformation which you can't even imagine. What exactly it's solving in the society? If you see in your house, whether it's your relative, whether it's your neighbor, every house today is going through one or the other challenges. It's not about what I am saying. According to the WHO report, more than 1.5 billion people today are suffering with chronic pain. There is more than 1 billion people suffering with mental disorder. If you go through this list, family relationship problems, pain, injury, insomnia, the biggest problem. Half of the population today is not able to sleep properly. They are not able to have a REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. Exhaustion, stress from work, hormonal, allergy issue. Let me tell you, people who are living a good life, it's not about they having a proper diet or a proper exercise. It's not even about genetics. What is it that they know that they have learned to live a proper life or a longevity? They have learned to stay away from chronic stress. All of these problems, whether it is allopathy, whether it is homeopathy, whether it is any alternative therapy, today you ask any expert, they will come back and tell you the root cause of all these issues is psychosomatic. It's from our thought level, our emotions. Now, what exactly is emotion? How does emotion have so much of power? If you have read the book by Louise Hay, Heal Your Life, and heal your body. Very beautifully, she calls it out that any disharmony in your emotional body can manifest as a disease in your physical body. And that is the reason when you go to the hospital or any expert, you know what happens? They are going to take away the disease from the physical body. But the energetic blockages which are there in your emotional body, until we don't remove that, the gallbladder stone goes away, comes back. Cancer goes away, comes back. Mental issues goes away, comes back. Money challenges goes away, comes back. Relationship issues goes away, comes back. Why? Because we are not, the hospitals are, we are not able to take away the energetic blockages from the emotional body. What are we doing now? What are we doing with this technology? We are working on your emotional body, physical body, spiritual body, mental body, and making sure that you live a beautiful life. Now, How is it possible that what is it that we need to change? Energy, frequency, and vibration. I am not saying this. Hundreds of years back, Nikola Tesla called it out that if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What exactly he was trying to tell us? He was trying to tell us that today, if I don't like my mother in law the way she is talking to me, if I don't like my child, she is not listening to me, if I don't like the relationship, if I don't like my bank balance, if I don't like the diabetes, cholesterol, BP in my body, what should I do? I Is it something that I need to work on going around shuttling between home and hospital? No, we need to alter the energy. We need to learn to how to shift the frequency. We need to learn how to raise the vibration. And that's what we are going to learn in this session today with the help of a technology. Not just Nikola Tesla, the grandfather of quantum science, called it out. Everything in life is vibration. Right now, if I tell you that any person in your life, in sometimes the presence of somebody can drain you, and sometimes the presence of someone can uplift you. If you just think of a person who literally you have felt embarrassed or insulted in any phase of your life since childhood, if you just think of it, you know what's going to happen? Your shoulders shrink, your energy goes down, you feel low, you feel upset, and the vibration goes down. Right now you're listening to me. If you're listening to me with an energy of let me see what she's going to show us, I know this everything, अरे बहुत सुना है, if you are going to listen to me with this energy, with this vibration, it all depends whether you're going to absorb it or you are going to neglect it. Now it all depends the kind of energy and vibration which you allow things to come to you. Allow things to come to you for this session. I promise you, you'll not regret. I could see a beautiful audience today. Why I'm talking about so much energy, frequency, and vibration. You know what? There's a small video which is going to tell you that how it has the power to actually alter the human health. We'll watch the video and we'll talk more in detail.
One of the greatest inventors of all time, Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Say you are listening to the radio in your car and do not like the music that you are hearing. What do? You change the frequency. What many people fail to realize is that we can take charge of our frequencies in the exact same way. We tend to reduce our body's anatomy down to a simplified version that consists of only flesh and blood. But everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which produce, emit, and receive energy, which operates at a specific frequency. Everything. All our tissues, cells, organs, emotions, and thought patterns have their own unique electromagnetic fields, as do allergens, viruses, or bacteria. All things have a frequency, including you, the human body. It has been shown that a normal person has a frequency of 62 to 72 megahertz. When the body drops below this frequency, we begin to get into illness and disease states. For example, if our frequency drops to 58 megahertz, then we are likely to get a cold or flu. If our frequency drops to 42 megahertz, we become susceptible to cancer within the body. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death.
The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. What exactly this video was trying to tell us? This video was trying to tell us that for an ideal state, the ideal frequency for a healthy body stays between 62 to 72 megahertz. And if it goes down to 58, it basically calls out an alarm for a healthy body. Why is an alarm? And how is it the frequency goes down to 58? When there is a fear, there is a vibration, or there is an energy of fear, insecurity. Suppose I am drinking this tea now and there is a little more sugar in it, and I'm putting a feeling inside my body, oh my God, this shouldn't raise my BP, this shouldn't raise my sugar levels. Any kind of fear, the bank balance, will it survive to have a party in the new year, or I will have a bankrupt by the end of 31st. Any kind of fear inside your body will actually reduce the vibration and the frequency from 62, it comes down to 58. When is it that it goes to 42? It goes to 42 when there is a suppressed emotions, when there is any unprocessed feelings which you are not able to call it out. You want to speak, but you are piling up, piling up, piling up, and one day it's going to blast, and that causes the cancer cells. And that's why whenever the frequency goes down to 42, it's an indication that there is a cancerous cells in the body. Now, how is it that we are able to come out of it? Can you imagine, like a radio station, I'm listening to a song, and if I don't like the song, what exactly I will do? I asked this in my presentation, and one of the person told me, Leena, switch off the radio. No, if I don't like my life, if I don't like how my husband is responding to me, if I don't like my bank account, I'm not going to suicide. What is it that I'm going to do? What is it that I'm going to do in the radio channel? I'm going to change the channel. Exactly in the same manner in life as well. You are going to change the channel. If there is any deep pain, deep hurts, deep insults, deep embarrassments, which you have gone through your life since childhood, we have to learn to change the channel. But how to do that? Has anybody done it? Exactly. Go to the Google, type Dr. Royal Rife. Dr. Royal Rife was a medical doctor in US, and he invented something in 1934 known as the Rife machine. And to prove that his machine works, he actually got in some 16 terminal patients and used his frequency for these cancer patients. You know what happened to the surprise? All the 16 cancer patients got transformed. He should have been rewarded, but no. In 1934, US government announced that no other therapies apart from the allopathy would be entertained. And if anybody trying to practice any alternative therapy would be having a serious causes. Today, we are not in 1934. The scientist, all the scientists across the world, it created a spark with Royal Rife experiment. Now, if you move across today, you see so many people around. There are authors who have written books around that how energy, frequency, and vibration has the power to alter human health. If you see the body electric, the frequency specific microcurrent in pain management, the resonance effect. I have met the author of Resonance Effect, Caroline McMcCain. I literally went to Vienna, Germany, and had a beautiful time with them in September this year. 2025 is my luckiest year ever. You know why? Because I met someone who is at the left corner, who is the owner, the founder, Marcus Mike. I was at his home where he has spent his childhood, his family, his wife. We had a lunch meal with together. The second part, the book has been written by Marcus Mike. You see the book in my hand as well. You can see the book in my hand. Now, who is Marcus Mike? He was from Germany. At the age of 16 years, he was fascinated towards quantum science. He was learning quantum science in the university in Germany, but had a lot of questions which was unanswered. I have heard that anybody who have questions which are unanswered on spirituality, quantum science, they travel to India. Marcus, at the age of 20, came to India. He did the same. He stayed in Himalayas, Rishikesh, went to Mayapur University, did his astrology study, and eventually turned out to be a brahmachari. He spent around 10 years, 12 years in India. He started with his consciousness center in Rishikesh. Also, he started getting mentored under Burkhard Heim. If you Google Burkhard Heim was his mentor, and he was a field theory scientist who was involved in giving the equations for gravity, which is in coherence with the theory of relativity. Now, Burkhard Heim, if you know in fifth standard, everyone remembers XYZ axis, the three-dimensional world. In quantum science, there is 12 dimension. In our Vedas, there is 14 dimension. Burkhard Heim, the field theory scientist, had the knowledge to tap into up to the eighth dimension. The three dimension XYZ, the fourth dimension is time, something beyond time. Burkhard Heim had the equations to tap into. And what is there? Is the information field. The information field which is available in every body. Now we are going to talk more in detail about it. Marcus Mike learned how to tap into beyond the time up to the eighth dimension from Bukhardheim. He was the chosen one to get this knowledge in. Now, with all the quantum science knowledge which he learned from India and the Bukhardheim's equations, what he learned, he had an idea to serve this society, go back to Germany, come out with a technology which can serve the world to come out of the pain. But he was a brahmachari, he was a monk, he was not very good in business. He shared this idea with one of his co-partner, who was also his ex-student in astrology. His name is Christian Harper. He was a billionaire. He is a billionaire and owns a Michelin star vegan restaurant in Europe. I was fortunate enough to have a meal in Tians, that is a Michelin star restaurant in Vienna. Oh my God, the yummiest food ever, I could tell you. Christian Harper, a billionaire, he got to know about the idea from Marcus. He was excited, he was thrilled. And in his excitement, what he did, he literally, rather than investing, he donated 100 million euros. He became the CEO of the company. Marcus Mike, both of them got together and opened the company in Berlin. Today, this is the center which I visited, Kazen Castle, the development center, where literally I met all the developers who work morning till evening for the development of the technology. In Berlin office, I got a chance to visit, go and meet all the maintenance and support team. And there is a main office. Both of them, today, the technology has gone across to 57 countries and already a unicorn, more than 1.5 billion euros. Now, what exactly was the technology which came up by them? In 2006, the technology which was invented was time waiver. Can you see the two white color boxes on the table? And the patient, the girl who is on the bean bag, the patient will come and stay on the bean bag holding the two copper electrode. The wires are connected to the two white color boxes, which is the time waiver, the technology which was invented by Marcus Mike. And the expert, there is an expert and a doctor in front of the Sony Via laptop. What is the doctor doing? Now, for the girl, what is happening is the time waiver machine has the ability to tap into the information field of this lady and identify that which cells of the organs are vibrating in a low frequency. Not just that, it also identify that any kind of mental disorder, any kind of chronic pain, any kind of physical disability, any kind of karmic connections, the relationship issues, all that comes up in the report. Based on the report, the doctor, the expert who is sitting in the laptop, he is going to send the frequencies. With the help of the frequency, there is a transformation which happens of the issues which are reported, which comes in the report. Just imagine what level of technology it is. Now, time waiver machine, which came up in 2006, was costing around 50,000 to 1 crore. But the point was, even if you and me has that money, we can't get it. You have to be a certified doctor and you need to go through around 1.5 hours of induction and a training to have this machine with you. Today in India, there are more than 12 to 13 clinics where we have launched this time waiver machine, where doctors are using it. Now, the best part is, even though it was high priced, if you go to an hospital or a clinic where the time waiver machine is being used, and if you are going through a chronic disease, there should be minimum 15 sittings which you need to go through for the therapy. Each therapy will cost you 15,000 to 20,000. In spite of this high price, there were people waiting in queue. 3 to 6 months of queue will be there for the patients to get a therapy. Can you imagine how profound this therapy could have been? Now, Marcus Mike should be proud owner of this technology. It literally became the Royal Royce in the frequency therapy industry. But he was not happy. Being a monk, his intention was that something, the technology which he has invented, has to go to every family, every person. Even a layman should be able to use it. But that was not happening here. What Marcus did, Marcus wanted that to eradicate the pain and struggle, and people can have that control in his hand. Now, he did something which he got inspired by Steve Jobs. You remember how Harvard Mark I, which was around $200 to $300 when it came in, a huge computer bigger than the size of your house, and you need to be a computer engineer to operate on it. Today, when Steve Jobs came in, he literally it brought in a paradigm shift. Today, we hold computers in our hand with the desktops and the mobiles which came in. Marcus did exactly the same. He converted the big time waver machine into a small size, literally 2 by 2 ounce. Weight is, can you see in my hand? And this is the size, and this is known as HEALY. The big time waver machine got transformed into the Healy. Now, what exactly Marcus did? Marcus worked with the software engineers 2006 when time waver came in, and it got into 57 countries. More than 7 crore people got transformed. They were able to come out of their illnesses and the issues what they are going through in their life. All this data was getting stored in a secured server. Marcus worked with software engineers with the help of artificial intelligence, developed computer algorithms, and with the use of AI over the cloud, with the help of the IoT, identified, integrated with the servers where this data was served. 9 million frequencies were saved in the servers in Germany. Now, with the help of artificial intelligence computer algorithm, connecting it to our mobile via an app through the Bluetooth, it connects to the our Healy. The entire process was patented. Now that's why we call it the brainchild of all the doctors. Today, Healy is nothing but the rocket science is time waver. All the doctors who has worked with their brains, we have literally taken their brains and captured in this small beautiful device called Healy, and that's why we call it a doctor in your pocket. What exactly is Healy and how does it work? We are going to talk more detail on it. Just watch this video and let's connect more on it.
Healy is new, Healy is different, and Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone-controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies. Healy analyzes the frequencies you need right now. Then the smart wearable applies subtle currents and individualized frequencies to your body via its electrodes. It strengthens your balance and harmonizes imbalances. Fitness, holistic health, and inner and outer beauty. Healy, over 120 programs to provide energetical support for you, for your body, and for your cells. Every single cell in our body is a small power plant that constantly produces energy. One thing is particularly important for this, the natural cell membrane voltage. And this is where the Healy comes in. With Nuno Nina's Gold Cycle programs that focus on rebalancing your cells. Healy also has suitable programs for many other applications on board. Programs supporting relaxation if you have a headache or back pain, but also for learning, concentration, or exams. Healy even offers support for mental balance, sleep, and stress. The Healy Beauty programs are supposed to support your inner and outer beauty energetically. In sports, the Healy is meant to promote performance, muscles, and regeneration. At home or on the go, in your leisure time or at work. In our opinion, health begins with good balance in all areas of life. This is what Healy stands for, state-of-the-art wearable technology, made in Germany to the highest standards. Based on use by 2,000 practitioners worldwide, who have seen as many as 500,000 patients. Healy, for me, and for you, and for everyone.
Absolutely. So Healy, for me, for you, and for everyone right now, while I'm talking to you and I'm giving presentation, you know what, the I'm right, I'm can you see the bracelet in my hand, the way the girl is wearing on the screen? I am also wearing it, a bracelet which is tied with a wire. So this wire is plugged into it. As I told you, do you remember? Healy takes care of you at a physical level, mental level, emotional level. Now when you are working on your physical level, this is the accessories which comes along with Healy. You don't have to pay it separate for them. And while you're taking the program for your physical body, now how exactly I will know which program I need? Which, I mean, is it a liver needs attention? Does it a heart needs attention? Does my skin needs attention? Does my hair needs attention? Where exactly the attention is required? There is an analysis which happens. You have to analyze your body. Healy will do that analysis for you and tell you based on where exactly the cells are vibrating in a low frequency. When I did my analysis today, it came out the skin. You know why? Because I'm just coming out from Sri Lanka. My complete skin is tanned, and I also got a scratch. I have cats at home, so there is a scratch on my face, and my complete skin is tanned because I was under the sun in Sri Lanka. I mean, just imagine, I might have forgotten. I will forget that there is a scar. I will forget that there is a tan on my face, but Healy will not. Healy will take care of you. While I'm giving the presentation, my skin was taken care by the frequency which I'm taking in any way, whether the pain which is going through in your leg, hand, any part of the body, you can run the program, do your work. While you take care of others, Healy will take care of you. There are other accessories which are available. If you see, there is an earlobe which is available. You can put it in your ears. Does I have it? Yeah, you can just put it in your ear. The way I have put it in my hand as a bracelet, there is a earlobe wherein any kind of issues from your neck to your head and forehead, maybe spondylitis, shoulder pain, fever, tooth pain, migraine, headache, any kind of pain in this part of the body, you have to use this earplug. And also we have something as a pain cycle. So this is an adhesive electrode which comes, you can just put it where exactly the pain is. I'm just showing you in my hand because you can see my hand. So the same wire which I put in the bracelet, I will take it out and put on my uh, the adhesive electrode. You have to stick it where exactly the pain is. And so all these accessories come along with Healy, and it is an individualized, customized frequency. What do you mean by that? Suppose when I do my analysis and there is a program for liver which has come up that my liver needs attention, and also the other person is using a liver program, maybe the liver program is 1 hour. It could be a possibility that for me it runs for 1 hour, and for the other person it can come out in 30 minutes. Why so? Individualized, customized frequency based on what are you thinking, your lifestyle, your emotions, which changes every 10 second. Every 10 second, the back of Healy, you have a quantum sensor. And when I'm holding in my hand, Healy is reading my mind. Healy is reading my organs. Healy is reading each and every emotions of my life. Now, it actually taps into the information field. What do you mean by the information field? Every cell in a body, there are trillions of cells in a body, and every cell has zillions of electron, protons, and neutrons. When these electron, protons, and neutrons are moving around, they are creating a path, they are creating a space, and this space is nothing but a bioenergetic field which gets created around the human. And the info, we call it an information field, the space around the human where the information of your soul, the information of your complete life, the information of your emotions, of your past life is trapped there. Now, what is Healy doing? Healy is tapping into the information field and helping us to cleanse it and to transform us based on what exactly in the reality we are going through. Now, we will find more details on it when you start using it, when you start experiencing it. Now, is it something that Healy came up overnight from China or Mandya? Somebody was getting bored? No, it came in. Basically, we have got a seal of approval from Germany. I don't know whether you know that anything coming from Germany, high level of precision, it is created in collaboration with doctors and practitioners. It's We have a stamp of quality and performance. You cannot fiddle with it. Anything coming from Germany, it has to be a high quality and high standard which gets developed from there. We have got more than 8 patents. The entire artificial intelligence which I told you, the 9 million frequency which are served which are reserved in the servers in Germany. The computer algorithms using artificial intelligence via IoT over the cloud connects to a mobile through an app, and via Bluetooth it connects to Healy. The entire process is patented. More than that, we have got 8 patents which are available. Imagine something which is going to 57 countries. If it goes to 57 countries, the 57 government bodies have approved it. I mean, who are me and you to judge it? So it works, guys. Now, what is the science behind it? The science behind it is, we all understand the body is made up of trillions of cells. Now, if you come down, what are cells made up of? Molecules, atoms, go much beyond subatomic particles. What are subatomic particles made up of? Energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, where exactly Healy is working? What is that quanta level of the body? And that's why we say quantum science. At a quanta of a body, Healy works. And what is a quanta of a body? Well, what exactly energy, frequency, and vibration made up of? The information field, the information of consciousness, the information of your soul. Now, Healy is tapping there. When Healy as taps into your information field, does the changes, tunes your energy, shifts your frequency, raises your vibration, what happens? Automatically there is a reverse engineering. The subatomic particles goes through the changes. There is a butterfly effect on your atoms, on your molecules, and in turn the entire body changes. The body becomes the doctor and the food becomes the medicine. The people who use Healy, within 1 week, the same dal chawal, the same sambar rice what they are eating, without any changes, you will see there is a shift in their WBC, there is a shift in their hemoglobin, there is a shift in their RBC. How? Because the earlier when they were eating that dal chawal, the cells were not able to absorb it. Now when they started using Healy, Healy started flushing out the toxins from the cell. The cell can be regenerated. We have programs to regenerate the cell. We have programs to give nutrition to the cell. The own God has made us so powerful that if you can take care of your cell, each and every cells of your body is working with the right vibration. It actually produces EMF. We call it electromagnetic frequency. And each cell electromagnetic frequency is at the right level. You know what? You don't need anyone, an expert to be. You become your own doctor. The body becomes the doctor and the food becomes the medicine. Just a disclaimer that we don't cure, we don't treat, we don't diagnose any disease. We work at your body. We give the environment to your body, and the body will start working on your illness and it helps you to come out. Now, what exactly is the science behind the with Healy? You might know. Let me tell you a basic thing. The fingerprint, every person has a unique fingerprint. Likewise, every person has a unique prana. Now, what is the significance of prana? When we are alive, a prana is there. When we are gone, gone prana. Now, what is the significance of prana energy? It's also known as chi energy. Now, the mind, body, and soul alignment. What does it mean? What you're thinking, what you're speaking, and what your soul is craving for. It is connected. It shouldn't be the case. The kind of person who you are, the kind of person who you want to be, and the kind of person you're pretending to be for the society. That's where the disruption starts coming in the prana flow. And whenever there is a disruption in the prana flow, there are scientists and there are the journals which it has been written to identify what are the reasons of the disruptions of the prana flow. And we came to know that it is the emotional imbalances. Any changes in your emotion, an emotion of fear causes an impact in your kidney, an emotion of lack of joy causes heart attack, an emotion of lack of creativity, thyroid problem. You can see women usually get thyroid because after marriage their creativity is suppressed, and that's why most of the women gets thyroid rather than men. The emotion of anger, liver issues, the emotion of long term sadness, lungs issues, it causes an impact in your lung, an emotion of amplified anger or amplified stress or long-term prolonged stress, spleen, pancreas gets impacted. Now, when we know that emotion has the power to create illness or wellness, because of the emotional imbalances, it causes an impact in the disruption in the flow of prana. And because of the disruption in the flow of the prana, it causes an impact in your cell's vibration. The EMF of the cell goes down. The intensity, there is a microcurrent of a cell which God has built us, that vibration goes down. So can you see how the three levels gets impacted and that causes the chronic illness in a body? What does Healy do? Healy helps you at a three level. Healy corrects the emotional imbalances. How? If we have programs, Bach flower therapy, we have Australian bush flower, sizzler salt, homeopathy psyche. The person whom you are connected with, make sure you get a demo of it. Now, some intense emotional baggage removal therapies, especially when you run at night when you're sleeping. Your subconscious mind is active and your conscious is sleeping. Run the emotional baggage removal program, and morning you will feel so light. Then, second level, what does Healy help with? I told you emotional garbage removal, the first one. The second one, correcting the prana flow. How does that happen? We have a mechanism of doing the remote therapy, the distant healing, capturing the prana of a person and running distant healing. When we do remote healing, it corrects the disruption in the prana flow. The third one, it works at a cell level. The disruptions which are caused, the EMF level or the frequencies of the cell, the vibration of the cell has gone down. How to correct that? With the help of a microcurrent. The one which I am using now, the wires, it is the help of a microcurrent, and microcurrent is being used from thousands of years by the doctors, and the kind of result which the microcurrent has brought in is increase in amino acid transport by 40%, increase in protein synthesis by 70%. Oh my god, it is quite profound, let me tell you. If you don't understand this technical language, just understand morning till evening, we all need energy. While I'm giving this presentation, I also need energy. Now, where is this energy coming from? This energy is coming from the mitochondria of your cell, which is the adenosine triphosphate, ATP levels, which is produced in the mitochondria. It shoots up to 500%. And that's why people who use Healy, you will see them with high energy. Even in midnight, 2 a.m., you call them, their energy level will be very high. I can tell you, I am known for my energy levels, and somewhere Healy is contributing to that. Now, there is a cell membrane potential voltage with two eminent scientists, Professor Roberto Becker and Professor Von Nonstorm. Now, who is Professor Roberto Becker? He was an orthopedic surgeon and he has written the author of the book Body Electric. It was considered as a Bible in the electromedical field. Professor Von Nonstrom, he is basically the chairman of the Nobel Prize Committee for Medicine. He had been. Now, both of them came together and identified the voltage differential inside the cell and the outside the cell, the difference between it basically came out. If it is an healthy and a young cell, it ranges between minus 90 to minus 60. If it goes beyond minus 60 to minus 30, what happens? Aging, inflammation, all the itis problem, arthritis, spondylitis, all the itis problem comes up during this cycle. Then it goes beyond uncontrolled cell division. What does Healy do? Healy helps to get back the aging cell into an healthy cell. Now, what are we talking about? Is it something like while we are talking, let me tell you, every half an hour there is an Healy being downloaded in the app. More than 20 million applications across the world, more than 57 countries. It has crossed 60 now. More than 2,000, 5,000 professionals today are using Healy. The slide is not updated. And as we are talking, every family, every home, that's the mission. That's what we are looking into, that every person can become their own doctor. You don't have to struggle with any kind of illness in your body, any kind of money challenges, any kind of relationship issues. Everything is in your hand now. Now, who is taken care. This is the advisory board, and these are the background, the foundation on which Healy and the Time Waver has been working. One of them, Caroline McMcCain, they are who and who of their industry. I mean, last 25 years, 30 years in as a quantum scientist, they have their clinics all across the world. I met Caroline McMcCain in Vienna. And twice or thrice I've met her. And I can tell you, she is basically such a superhuman being. And the kind of knowledge and the wisdom she shared with us, took her training for us. She's an official healer for NFL. The football players, for rugby, they call it football in Europe. And she's an official healer, for frequency healer for them. The players on the ground, when they get injured, they are not given tablets or injection. They are given frequencies. They are given frequencies to recover back fast. Now, Caroline McMcCain is the official healer for all the players. And you know what? We are lucky enough that she has collaborated with us. And all the frequencies which she develops for the players are right now with us. So we are going to talk more in detail on that. Okay, now Healy. I mean, let me tell you, I mean, there were days in my life. Healy came to me 3.5 years back, but like 5 years back, I've been working as a life coach. I've been working as a manifestation coach. But let me tell you, I mean, I was not able to call it out to the people around. The kind of mental state, I am like highly positive person. Lena is known to be a positive person, but life takes over. There are days wherein you feel low. There are days wherein you don't feel like to talk to people, and the reason could be anything. The reason could be my daughter is not studying. I mean, that could be the stress which I'm not sleeping at night. How can, I mean, is there a doctor or a hospital available which can give me a pill for that? Which can give me a pill that my relationship can be improved? Which can give me a pill for my chakras to be activated? I wish the medical industry can understand it. Today, we have frequencies. It's a prayer being answered. I can tell you, this was my prayer, that God, give me a solution. Give me a solution for the kind of stress which I'm going through with these issues. I don't have any chronic issue in my body, but the issues which I can't call it out to the society. And that's where frequency came to my rescue. Whether you're looking out to activate your chakras, whether you're looking out to enhance your relationship, whether you're looking out to correct your wealth, your fitness, your beauty, your hair, your skin, your productivity, whether you're looking out to clean the food, the frequencies in the kitchen, the negative energies, any kind of black magic, any kind of evil energies around your family, protect your family. One device working for everyone. My daughter is in Delhi. My mother is in Kerala. My brother is in Bhopal. I can tell you, every person I can run the frequency from here. Right now, if they tell me that I'm feeling low, I can analyze their body and give them a distant healing. I can come to know what exactly they are going through. Can you just imagine what level of technology which I'm talking about? It is like a genie in hand. It is like my partner, an intuitive therapist in your pocket, which is taking care of more than 200 plus programs, frequency program. And it is so intuitive that sometimes you will be blown away with the analysis and the programs. I wish I can show you a live demo. Uh, in European Union, Healy has been called out as a medical device for the treatment of pain in chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, migraine, and all supportive treatment of mental illness, depression, anxiety, related sleep disorder. Healy can do much more beyond it, but unfortunately, medical industry only understands this. Healy is FDA cleared, and also we have got, I don't know whether you called it out, but CE0482 is a certification which Healy has received. You can go and Google it. CE0482. It takes literally more than 6 years for the company to get the certificate. It's a very difficult certificate to get in. It goes through multiple hazardous trial. It goes through multiple blindfolded trials, safety trials, and then we get that certificate. So CE0482 is certified for Healy. Now we have a group frequency experience group where people like me and you, doctors, therapists, everyone who is using Healy are available here. And I can tell you, they are super excited every day. You will find a testimony coming in that what kind of transformation they have gone through. You can take an invite from the person who has invited you. Another 5 minutes, and we are going to open it up for question and answer session. Okay. These are some screenshots which has been taken from the testimonial group. The middle portion which you're seeing the screenshot is basically from the app, the Healy app. You need to download the app. So there are 3 apps which needs to be downloaded in your mobile. How to use it, you don't have to worry. The complete training would be given to you. The one which you're seeing in the middle now, it's basically the gold cycle. It's a detox program. Pure is like a purification. When you click on it and run the program with a microcurrent, it's a 1 hour program. You just click on it, less than a minute it takes, and you do your work. Okay, Healy will purify each and every cell of your body. Then we have Care, which is for immunity building, balance, being is basically for your soul, energy, raising your ATP levels, relax, activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Release is releasing the pain of your body. It's like a painkiller. Now, the girl you are seeing on the screen, every woman today in your house, this would be the beautiful gift to her. We all go through the menstrual cramps every month. In spite of like mood swings, we don't feel like getting up, we don't feel like working, we still have to do it with that pain. Now, this lady was taking medical support, eating tablets for the pain, just using 2 months. Healy detox. We actually call this a detox program. Just by doing a detox for 2 months, today she's absolutely fine. And she says that my life is as normal. Every month, I don't even have to go through this painful cramps, drained of energy, and bedridden. I mean, how beautiful it can be if you can give that to the lady in your house. uh, Depression, so beautifully she has taken a picture before and after. Same thing at the age of 68 years, tons of stress. I mean, usually the stress will comes out after 50, after 60 years. Everything which you have compromised in your life, everything which you have been tolerating in your life will come out as a depression after 60 years. And Healy is there to support you today. You don't have to worry. We have programs of chronic pain, back pain. Now she's talking about migraine. We have specific migraine program. Can you see down migraine? When you click on it, take a program, it will be 30 minutes. And she says that chronic migraine, which she uses, she has been going across to different neurologists, medication, countless, going to multiple experts, but no relief, using Healy on a daily basis. And I can tell you, there are so many people who have told me for migraine that the results which are coming out with Healy. And I mean, no longer this person needs medication. All this medication has very serious side effects. So please, 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 your body will thank you. Our body is a temple. Don't screw it. Take care of it. uh, we have programs of back pain, tooth pain, joints. You can see this lady. I have never heard this. It was a surprise for me that when you go through stress, there is something known as chronic stress fracture. You can also get a fracture in your back because of the stress which you're going through. And this lady was having a small baby, and she says that she can't even bend and was able to brush her teeth. That much painful it was. But today, using Healy, zero medication, I sleep like a baby. I run around with my 4-year-old. So beautiful to read these testimonies. I can keep on talking testimonies. Please connect with the person who has invited you. I'm not going to go through this. Skin problems. You talk about a problem and we have the frequency for you. Prostate. I mean, somebody in my team was telling me their parents, the father was not able to get up from the bed and reach the bathroom at night. Before he reaches, he will leak out. Imagine what level of gift we are giving to our parents. They don't need any international travel or expensive gifts or materialistic gifts. What they need is a sound sleep at night. And this would be a beautiful gift for your parents. Learning and concentration. Oh my God. I mean, I'm the super witness of this. My daughter, and touch wood. I mean, it's like till today it's the same. 10th standard, 3 year back, it came to me. My daughter loves dancing. She's a superstar and most special angel for me. And the way she dances, you will be blown away. But not very good in studies. Lot of complaints. Healy came into my life. We started using it. 2 months remote. Started physical as well. 1 month. The girl who never touched 60% passed out with 92%. 10th standard, 11th standard, 93%. 12th standard, state rank holder. She's a state in BMTC buses in Bangalore. Her picture was there with 98%. You can't even imagine what level of growth I have seen for my daughter, for a mother like me, for every mother. What could be the beautiful gift you can give to a child? Today, sitting in Bangalore, she's in Delhi studying there. And I can tell you, sitting here, I will be so insecure mom that what is my daughter doing, a teenager, almost like 18 years. And today I just need to run Healy, protect her, create a protection shield around her, take care of her body, mental balance, job program, detox, any issues which she goes on, learning and concentration, beautiful programs. Internet addiction is not just for me, for not for children, for everyone. It could be an internet, it could be Instagram, it could be porn movies, it could be smoking, drinking, clubbing, it could be anything. I can tell you there are programs of mental balance, inner unity. There are so many programs which helps you for addiction to be, you need to be out. Now digital nutrition, more than 75 nutrition programs. It's not about weight loss, it's not about eating less, it's about eating right. And the kind of nutrition with the food which you are eating, the right nutrition gets absorbed in the body with the use of frequency, and see the results which people have called it out. I can keep on talking about it, whether it's a sleep issue, whether it's activation, positive thoughts, skin problems. It's not like you become a Salman Khan, but yes, if your cells have a tendency to growth it, regenerate it, you can have more hairs. I don't want to skip this. I am an animal lover. I'm a pet parent. I feed around more than 200 dogs around, and I can tell you this came to my rescue. It was not very easy every day seeing the street dogs suffering on the road and taking them to vet when I am so busy and I can't take them. But you know what? Healy came into my help. Today, I just take the picture and give them frequency. Beautifully, they come out of it. Animals and children are very tuned to, they absorb frequency very fast, and you will see the result very fast for children and animals. We have animal related frequency for them. A small video, maybe for another 2 minutes, and then we are going to open it out for testimonies, live testimonies, and also for uh, live and recorded, and also for the question answers.
What do you think of Healy? I absolutely love it. Like, it's amazing. I'm blown away. Like, I can feel everything. I don't know. I just feel like it really came at a right and opportune time. It's amazing. I could cry. Like, it's to that level. Like, I'm like, this is it.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
I'll send that too.
Yeah.
For 11 years, I haven't taken a Panadine Fort, which was my daily thing in 4 weeks. And I used to take like up to 10 a day, which was just...
About 15 or 20 minutes into the frequency, his whole demeanour just changed and the colour came back into his face. And he said to me, "So I'm great now, I feel good, Mum, I'm just going to go ride my bike for a bit." And he just took his Healy off, went outside and did a lap of the block on his bike, and completely feeling fantastic again.
My energy levels were great, my moods were balanced.
My mind feels like I've had, for lack of a better word, a brain flush.
And the other thing is, I always notice when I run the skin program, the next morning my skin feels like it's 100% silk. It's just unbelievable.
I'm getting the results right now, and it's actually blowing my mind.
And I've just put on these little ear electrodes and Healy has a migraine program that you can run. And honestly, I've been running it for the past 10 minutes and the symptoms of my migraine have gone down about 80%.
My sense of calm is back, my happiness is back, my mental clarity, my concentration, my sleep, my blissful sleep is back.
Number one, back pain. And I almost fell out of my chair when I saw that. I was like, oh my God, the level of intelligence that this device has is absolutely mind-blowing.
Absolutely. The level of intelligence this device has. Oh my God. I mean, sometimes it's like there are things in my mind which I might have never revealed to my parents, to my husband, to my children. Healy knows it. It will come in the report. All your dark secrets would be coming out. Okay, I'm just kidding, for the betterment. So anything which is like you might have forgotten, your desires, your deep longings, something which you might have thought in the childhood. And today, because of the society's pressure, you might have forgotten. It all comes up in the report. It all comes up that, you know what, this is a sole purpose. When you do an aura therapy, it will actually tell you whether it is your ancestors related, whether it is your past life, whether it is such detail it goes through, whether it is a present thing, whether it is in your DNA you're carrying it. We have programs for epigenetic changes as well, something which you have bringing in your genes, genetics. Stem cell shots, where you go to a hospital and ask for an injection of stem cell shots. Celebrities use it for anti-aging, and also like if there is any kind of replacement, knee replacement, spinal cord, uh, doctor would suggest you to go through the stem cell injections. Every injection will cost you around 50,000 to 1 lakh, and you need to repeat it minimum for a year. Imagine we are giving you frequencies for it for lifelong and for the entire family. I mean, how profound it could be. Healy is a beautiful way of taking life in. You see the people who are collaborated with us. I mean, having Gurudev, Jai Gurudev, Shri Ravi Shankar from Art of Living Center in Bangalore, he accepted and he was thrilled. He was like shocked and surprised that the kind of chakra activation what we do with Kriyas, it's now happening with the technology. And today there are so many talks going on with him to literally collaborate with him in his ashram. It is still, we are waiting for official announcement, but we are in talks with him for a collaboration for ADHD, the special kids treatment. We have so many ministers. The tribal minister from Delhi ordered a Healy with us, and I'm going to jump into seeing the time. Now, if you see, how does Healy, you can own it in your life. I already told you, Healy is basically a product. Time Waver is something which what Time Waver does, Healy does 70% of it. Now, if Time Waver is 50 lakhs to 1 crore, how much Healy should be? It should be 70 lakhs. You can see on the screen, not even that. It is less than the price of your iPhone for lifelong, one time, lifelong. It is less than the price of the insurance cost which you give for next 10 years for your family. I can promise you, you will not hold just one Healy. In my home, there are 7 Healys. You can start whatever you are comfortable with. We have modules starting with 41,000 and goes to 3,29,000. Congratulations to each one of you. This month, we have a 30% off for the top 3 models. From Healy Resonance to Healy Professional, there is a 30% off. Whichever model you are comfortable with, use it. You know the best part? 14 days refund. You don't like it, there is a trial period. You use it in the trial period, you don't like it, get the money back. Oh my God, what more God can give you? Now, Healy Resonance, what exactly is the difference? Healy Resonance Plus, and Healy Professional is somewhere what I told you, the analysis, the report which comes out, it starts with Healy Resonance. Now, difference is Healy Resonance, body related programs, 98 Healy programs, that the frequency programs in every module. That's the difference. Healy Resonance Plus, body and mind related programs. Healy Professional, you get everything. Healy, mind, soul, digital nutrition. You get defense programs like black magic, evil eye, geopathy, the house energy. You also have programs of beauty programs, you have programs of job. Now, all these programs comes under professional. Now, whichever model you start with, you can upgrade as well. Any model which you use can be used for entire family members. 14 days refund, 2 years, anything happened to your device, it would be completely replaced without a question. Anything happens after 2 years, you need to pay around 25,000 for the damage cost. Rest frequencies are coming to you for lifelong. When Healy comes to you, how will you order it? You will order it from the website link. Who will give you the website link? The person who has invited you. They have got the link. You have to log into the link what the person has invited you, because there you will get the discount. And when you log in, you order it. It comes to your house in next 3 to 4 days from the Blue Dart Courier. The day it reaches your house, from that day, the 14 days starts. Okay. Now, the refund. As soon as it reaches your house, there would be a power buddy. There would be a team. There would be a complete community who will take care of you. When you get into Healy, congratulations, you're also getting into a personal development program. Get ready for a personality transformation. I promise you, you're not going to be the same person. As a manifestation coach, I keep taking programs. Tomorrow, I'm running a vision board session. completely live, setting up the vision board, your goals, your aspiration. I'm doing a workshop, a live workshop, especially for the people who are in Healy. They will be getting a complete extra bonus from me. So if the workshop would be open for all, but there would be an extra bonuses for the people who has Healy with them. So make sure you take the Healy, join the program tomorrow 9 p.m. vision board training. I promise you, you would have never ever attended a vision board training, what you're going through tomorrow. The kind of knowledge, the kind of insights, the kind of transformation which I'm going to share with you, it's my last 10 years of knowledge, more than that. And it cannot be given free, but I'm giving it free just as a giveaway for 2025. When I end this year, I give a giveaway, a gratitude to the God, I gratitude to the universe. So be there for tomorrow. Congratulations for being part of such a beautiful community and get ready for the transformation. 2026 would be the beautiful year, and let's end 2025 with a bang. Before we end, let me call it out. Mac Healy. Mac Healy, beautiful product. Healy takes care of you, mind, body, soul alignment. Mac Healy takes care of you at your environment. 3-meter diameter, 10 feet height. Each and every person in your house would be taken care. We have programs of prosperity, family harmony, relationship, food, coherence, creativity, uh, energy clearing, all these programs, super duper programs. Right now, I'm running prosperity. You can see my program is on. Initially, when I started, just half an hour before, I ran coherence. And when the program started, I shifted to prosperity. And you can see the program running right now. I just let the light being off. Now, prosperity is never ever stopped in my house. Now, you can see prosperity in different ways. Whether you want prosperity in terms of relationship, good health, money, wealth, it depends upon you. What is your intention? That would be amplified. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful audience. I'm going to stop my presentation. Okay. So there, I'm going to stop my presentation, and if Sushil is there, we can have quickly few live recorded testimonies. Sushil, if you are there,
Yes,
we can have few testimonies live. You can share your screen, show the testimonies live. Now there is a testimony night which we do every month. This month also, last week, you are going to have the testimony night where people come and share their testimonies live. There is a channel called Elevate Healing. You can take a picture of this channel, or there are more than hundreds, thousands of testimony from last 3 years. It is recorded. People came live and spoke about it. Let's listen to few of them.
Please go ahead. Hey, hello everyone. Sorry, I was talking in mute. So sorry. Good evening to all of you. My name is Asita Mahapatra. I am currently working as an IT professional. So I was introduced by this Healy program by my auntie, Mona Lisa, and I am well supported by this program, by Kadambariji. I'm in constant touch with him. So my story is I have a kid of almost 5 years of age. He had some developmental delays. He has speech issues. He was hyper issues. He had some focus and attention issues. His learning was also delayed. So I was undergoing this program, and I was undergoing these kind of issues. And after using this program with support of Kadambariji, I can see substantial growth in him. Right now, in school, he is focusing. He is following the instructions. He has started writing where he was not. He was not sitting at his place. We received complaint initially. Right now, we are getting positive feedback about him. So these have been, I would say, substantial growth on him. And most importantly, his speech has been improved actually. He was simply using 1 or 2 words. So right now, he's framing sentences. He is asking for food, which he was not doing. And yeah, we have a long way to go. But yes, with a small amount of time, I would say at least 1.5 months I have used it, and I have seen this growth. So definitely, I would recommend this Healy program to to everyone, and I've already started doing that. So yeah, and yeah, I hope much more growth, much more development for all of us with this programming. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. We have many such testimonies where people are talking about shift transformation in ADHD special kids. Let's hear from Sharbani.
Mechanic, healer, and an engineer.
So I was introduced to Healy by Vanshika Sitlani and Pragya Dash. So I have been using Healy from the last 1.5 months. Though I have seen numerous changes in me, I would like to highlight some 2-3 major improvements that I've seen within me. After a 9 to 6 job, after almost 9.5, 10 hours of job, and then coming and meeting people, so interacting with so much of frequencies made me burn out by mid of the day. Like I was completely losing my energy by the noon, and in the evening after coming home, I didn't even feel like talking to people. That was so. I was feeling I was getting drained out, so I had to heal myself 2 times a day. But after using Healy within 1 week, my family members started asking me, you don't eat what we eat, then how is the energy? Right now also I'm coming from a busy day, but I feel so fresh as if I just woke up right now. So that was an amazing feeling that I got. The second one was from 2018. So it's been like 9 years. I was suffering from constipation and gastritis. The biggest tension was whenever I used to go out, I had to carry so much of medicines and bags with me. That was an additional carriage for me. That I had to go out with medicines, and without medicines, I lost my confidence. Ki ab kya hoga re? Then with the help of pranic healing and Healy, I don't remember the last time when I suffered. It has become like this. So it was an amazing thing. And the third and the most beautiful effect which I got is being a healer. We have to do our meditations regularly every day. So when Healy was wrapped with meditation, I can't express up to what level of depth of visualizations and that one-pointedness I felt while meditating. So I never miss out wearing Healy while meditating. And the kind of healing also to my clients have given, they have, their testimonies and feedbacks to me was really awesome. So thank you feels less. So it's, with all my gratitude and thanks to Pragya, Vanshika, to the entire team of Healy and to the brains behind this magic wand. And I really hope that Healy becomes the fastest growing product in the world. So thank you so much for having me here.
Fantastic. There are so many pranic healers, Reiki healers, life coaches today part of our community, and the way they are using it is just profound. Let's hear infertility transformation.
Sanjay sir and Rekha madam's team actually. So we are very much thankful for Sanjay sir and Rekha madam for giving us Healy in the right time. So basically we are married since 3 years, and we were actually planning for a family. And Pradima wasn't getting pregnant soon. We spent a huge amount on infertility treatments actually initially. So it was like more than 6 to 7 lakhs we have spent on infertility treatments, going to many doctors and trying many things. Nothing worked much well, and Pratima wasn't getting conceiving actually. So after a lot of trials, one day Sanjay sir and Rekha madam told us, we should try with Healy. So we took the Healy, and Pratima was using it religiously, regularly, without fail. So after 1 week or after 1 month of usage, she saw changes coming up in her body. Basically, she has the AMH issue actually. So doctors used to tell me, for a normal woman to get pregnant, the AMH level should be something between 0.9 to 1.5 kind of thing actually. But her AMH level was like 0.015. So it is like 10 times or 15 times below the natural normal level of the AMH. And when I spoke to many doctors, both in homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, what all the treatments are available. So everyone told me that there is no medicine as of now in the world which is used to improve the AMH level. We can improve the quality, but the AMH level cannot be improved. And without the AMH, it is anti-Mullerian hormone. She will not be able to get pregnant actually. Then with the help of Healy and Mag Healy, there are certain programs with Sanjay sir and Rekha madam, and we executed those programs on Pratima. And after we received this Healy in the month of August, and by September ending, we started to see a lot of changes coming up. And doctor was also surprised actually that the uterus.
After 4 months, we conceived the pregnancy due to Healy.
With the help of Healy and some supplements. Which Sanjay sir and Rekha madam has also supported us with certain supplements actually.
We have got healthy baby.
We had after 9 months, now
1 month
we have become parents. Now our baby is 1 month, 8 days old baby. He is very, very, very healthy, and we are very happy to share this testimony with all of you. So this was a very wonderful journey of pregnancy, and doctors was also surprised actually. I'll tell you one more good news is that when she became pregnant, we had twins actually. Twins. When Pratima conceived, she had twin fetus in her. But over a period of time, only one baby came out safely. So it was a very wonderful and lovely journey with Healy that we had up to now. And the whole 9 months went up very good. Doctor keeps on asking me, what did you use? Did you change any medicine? Did you change any diet, or what did you do to improve the AMH levels? And we did not tell her that we are using Healy, but it was a very, very, very big miracle actually. We had actually 3 miracles coming up on our way actually. One is the AMH level getting improved, the uterus health getting improved, and all the debris which was there in the uterus or the fallopian tube, we call it, that all is went off and everything came out perfectly. At the end of after 1 month of usage, we saw a lot of changes with the help of Mag Healy and Healy, and we had a lot of faith on Sanjay sir and Rekha madam, who always guided us to use it in a proper fashion and a proper way. By end of November, we
got the news.
we got a thank you very much,
thank you,
and we were
Sushil.
very happy at that time actually.
Awesome. I feel.
Thank you, Sushil. We can end it now. Thank you so much, Sushil. And I can tell you, I still get tears in my eyes when I listen to these stories. I mean, it cannot be without a divine intervention, such miracles coming up. That's why we call Healy as a divine product. This is not less than a miracle wherein the AMH levels, which was not, doctors called it out, it's not possible, and we are getting a life coming in. Healy is bringing a new life. So it's I don't have to tell much. Now, if you have any questions, you can put down in the chat. I'm here. You can raise your virtual hand. I'm happy to unmute you and you can ask your question directly to me. All the co-hosts, if you find anyone raising the hand or if you find anything in the chat, please message. Even if you don't want to call it out your questions, you can put down in the chat. I can answer to it. If you don't want to ask here, it's absolutely fine. Please get in touch with the person who has invited you. And the best part, there is a beautiful gift for you. The people who are attending the session today, in next 72 hours, you can get a free aura demo, an aura report done for your prana. So the person who connected with you, get in touch with them, get your prana captured, get your aura done, have an experience of Healy and order your Healy. This aura therapy, basically we charge 5,000 rupees, but only for the people who are attending the presentation, we are giving completely free. Next 72 hours, grab this gift. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can raise it. You raise your hand, the virtual hand you can raise. I can't see anybody on video. Okay, if you want to come on video and or raise a virtual hand, or I am getting a question in the chat that will it help in diabetes? Okay, I don't know whether I called it out, but let me call it out that Healy, if we don't cure, we don't treat, or we don't diagnose any disease. What Healy does, it gives an environment to any disease. So all these terms of diabetes, whether it's cancer, whether it's cholesterol, whether it's infertility, whether Healy doesn't understand it. What Healy understand, that at a cell level, there are blockages. At a cell level, the cell has to be regenerated. The cells, there are toxins which has to be flushed out. There are cells which has to be regenerated. And based on that, Healy works. So Healy makes your cell active. Healy makes your cell regenerated, works 100%, and your body becomes the doctor and works on diabetes. So yes, we have testimonies, and there are so many testimonies available for all these chronic issues. Is there any other questions which are there? You can raise your virtual hand or you connect with the person who has invited you. Okay, I can see another question. How to order Healy? As I already told you, get in touch with the person who has invited you. They will share the link to you. Click on that link. Very simple. Card, cash, transfer, GPay, whatever way works for you. In 3 to 4 days, Healy will reach your house. So there would be power buddies who would be taking care of you. I feel I did a good job. There are no questions at all. So we can start with, 1 second, there's one more question. I just saw the question where it disappeared. Okay, Madan Kumar, we can start with basic device price and software can be upgraded for all packages sit in the same device. Correct. Yes, Madan, you are right. You can start with whatever you want and it can be upgraded. So 7 days usually, but understand what is the intention why you are booking it. Okay, so understand the programs, understand the modules. Madan, who has invited you, let me know so that we can connect you with the right leader and we'll give you the right information, which one will be best for you. So what exactly is the issue which you want to come out with? We will give you guidance that which program will help you and you can choose that same module. Okay, but yes, you can upgrade it from any device to the upper version. Fantastic. Is there any other questions which are there, or you can raise your hand? Otherwise, I'm patting my back that I did a good job. Okay. Looks like you've understood everything or you have not understood at all. Connect with the person who was invited, discuss with them. If you need any discussion with me also, come through the person and we can still connect. Okay. Till then, Merry Christmas. Have a great year coming up. Join me tomorrow for the vision board. Let's create a beautiful life together. Love you all. See you. Bless you. Bye-bye.